This topic is on formation of company. Now, what are we going to do in this topic? We are going to understand how a company is formed. If you remember in the earlier topics, we covered that what are the different forms of business organization, right? And we learned about a company. Now, if you remember, I had told you that formation of a company is very difficult. So, in this particular topic, we are going to learn the steps which are required to be fulfilled to complete the formation of a company. Now, here I am going to take this example of Rama's kitchen. This example I had taken earlier, wherein I had said that Rama is a chef. Now, she loved cooking, so she went to London. She took a degree in culinary arts and she came back to India. Now, she wanted to open a business of providing tiffin services, but with a difference. Here the innovation was that she would provide the tiffin services to people such as film stars who either want to lose weight or gain weight for a particular role, or similar kind of people who had certain specific dietary requirements. Now, she decided instead of going for sole proprietorship, she would open a company. The reason being, she is planning in future that she would include services such as providing dietitian services to the clients. So, she wants to include all these features in the services which she is providing, and that is the reason she wants to open a company. Okay. So, formation of company has 4 stages. Now, remember, the 4 stages are applicable only when you are a public company. Okay. If you are planning to be a private company, that is when you are raising the money privately, you are not going to public to raise your money, then you only need to follow these 2 steps. What are these 2 steps? Promotion and incorporation. So, as I said, for private companies, these are the only 2 steps to be followed. What about the remaining 2 steps? See, subscription of capital and commencement of business. These are the remaining 2 steps which has to be followed by a public company. So, in this topic, we are going to learn about promotion, incorporation, how to subscribe for capital and when to start the business. These are the 4 steps which we are going to learn.